Okay, so continuing pag-akyat, ito yung sinasabi nilang Leaning Pine Tree. So para ma-feel mo na sa bangin ka, akit ka doon sa taas on your own risk. So may warning sila dito, please be advised 2 to 3 persons carrying capacity, pero hindi nila sinabi kung ilang kilo. So combined weight namin ni Leif 85 ako, 75 siya. So more or less kaya naman siguro kami ng Leaning Pine Tree. Right. Okay, so same with Leif. I'm taking an idiot's risk dito sa Leaning Pine Tree na sabi nila it's not complete kung hindi ka aakyat there. So fortunately hindi ko mahawakan yung rail habang dala ko yung camera, so pause mo na.